Hello friends, welcome to my channel Gardening is My Love. Today let us learn something new about grafting techniques. Friends, today I am going to tell something about the grafting techniques. I have taken mango saplings today for grafting. So this is a mango sapling with the kernel. So you can see the kernel here. So now what I am going to do today is V grafting. Yeah, V shape grafting. So this is one technique. So 15 days back I have grafted this and it has successfully come out. 15 days back I have grafted this V shape grafting. So now let me explain you the process. So I have collected the scion. So this is scion from my Daseri mango variety. So Daseri mango variety I have collected this scion. So the tools required for this is you require a sharp knife, one cutter, then plastic you require, and if you are covering with the plastic, so this type of plastic you require. So now I will start the process quickly. Now the scion which I have taken, I shape it with the cutter. I cut each and every leaf. I am going to remove it. So I am removing each and every leaf, slowly removing it, yeah, till the end. So finally removed all the leaves and cleaned it up. So leaves I am removing. We'll put aside all the leaves here. Yeah. Let me proceed further without wasting any time. So we have got the rootstock here. So the best rootstock I select here. This is slightly thicker in size. Yeah. So this is the rootstock. This is going to be the mother plant, and this is the scion from a variety you want to choose. You can choose any variety. So I have chosen Daseri. Daseri is the variety. So now here what I am going to do is, you see the size, approximately equal size somewhere here. So I cut it off. Yeah, from the mother plant I cut it off. So I cut. Yeah. Next is I get ready the scion. So somewhere here I will cut. So cut it. Now next step is to prepare the V shape. Yeah. So what I am trying to do is, from the scion I keep the scion ready and wrapping it with the plastic. So I will leave some gap, yeah, for the grafting process, and then I will wrap it. Yeah. So I am wrapping it off. So why I am wrapping is, yeah, so this area will remain cool and it will not dry so easily. So a lot of moisture it may contain. So if you are not wrapping, what happens is this has no attachment with its mother plant, so it will dry off quickly. So I am giving that moisture retainment using a plastic. So I am wrapping it with a plastic. Yeah. So I wrapped. Somewhere I will tie it off so that it does not come out. Yeah. So this is ready. I cut it off with the, yeah. So this is ready. So now the lower portion which I have to get ready for grafting. So just you observe it very carefully. Yeah. So I slice it off from one side. Very carefully how to do. So slicing, making it very thin. So this is one side. Yeah. Before using the knife, please better sanitize it. I have sanitized it. And go to the other side and also do the same process. Yeah, as thin as possible, and at the end you make it very thin. Yeah, so this is ready. Yeah, now go to the now go to the rootstock and a inverted cut. You keep it from the top. So just I am going to show inverted cut. Check the length. How much is the length of this? So somewhere this much is the length. So I mark it here. Till then a vertical cut I give somewhere here. So vertical, exact cut vertical till that place. Yeah. So I have cut. Yeah. Next, you place this scion inside the vertical cut. So still it is not enough. Some more it has to go into. Yeah. So now I think it will be enough. So I place it inside. Yeah. So now it is exactly enough. You don't find any difference. Now use a plastic to wrap it off. So I am using a plastic to wrap it off. Be it very tight. It should be airtight. There should not be any gap. Yeah. So I am tying it nicely with the plastic. So double layer you make so that water or moisture does not enter from outside. Yeah, so it is almost over. So ready? So this is one ready. So what I am trying to do is next giving it. Yeah, I just make a hole here. I have got ready the pot. I have got it ready. Yeah, place it as deep as possible inside. So this is one. So I placed it enough inside. So next, again, there is another way we can do the V grafting. Same thing. Yeah, I am not going to use this black plastic. So you see the process. Let me take a healthy rootstock. So this is a very healthy rootstock. Yeah, with the seed. So now again I am going to take the same variety. So another one. So let me take. So I will get it ready. Very quickly I will do. So you have already seen the process, so you will understand it faster. So all the leaves I am removing. Yeah, so leaves are done. So I put the leaves down. Okay. So now with the cutter I will get it ready. So somewhere for us this much is enough. So this is the scion ready, and this is the rootstock. Almost the same size. Let me take somewhere here. Cutter is here. So cut it off. So this is the rootstock, and this is the scion which I am going to place. Yeah. Now I am not going to wrap this one with the black plastic. I will do it directly. Knife is here. I will get ready. So you have already seen this. Yeah, this is ready. Okay, so this is almost ready. Please do not touch with your fingers. Yeah. Next is we are getting the rootstock ready. So this is here. So V-shape cutting I give. This is very small. Yeah, somewhere till here it is enough. So I give the V-shape. It has to be exactly. Yeah. So V-shape is done. So now I will place the scion to the rootstock. It's slightly thicker, so still I am making it smaller. Yeah. Done. I placed it. Yeah. Next, what I am going to use is the plastic I am going to use. Yeah. Done. Plastic I am wrapping. So in this technique what you can do is you can wrap the plastic so this is done. Yeah. Next step is take a plastic like this. Yeah. Blow some air. Place it on the top. Yeah. Somewhere till here. And then with another tie it off. And place it in mud. So I am going to place it in mud. So make a hole. Make a hole. Yeah. So both are done. Yeah, both are done. Now put some water. For both the varieties you can put some water. Yeah. So thank you for watching this video. Yeah, let me come up with more videos on grafting. Continue to watch my channel. Please subscribe by pressing the bell icon. Thank you very much.